In this video, we're going to clear the social media app caches on your phone. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. If you use all of these apps, make sure you watch this whole video. If you only use specific ones, check the timestamps down below the video to fast forward to those sections. We're going to start with TikTok. I don't know where it is on my phone, so I'm just going to search for it. Type in TikTok, and there it is right there. And now every time you watch a video on TikTok, there's something saved in your cache, often the entire video. So if I go to my profile and then tap on these three stacked lines or the hamburger icon, tap on settings and privacy, and then scroll all the way down to this very neat menu item called free up space. Tap on that. This is one of the only apps I've seen that really tells you what this menu option is. Usually it's called cache or data or downloads. This one's called free up space. I love that. Okay, so in my cache here, I have 130.5 megabytes. And for my downloads, I have 582.7 megabytes. That's a lot. 1.4 gigabytes in total. So I'm going to clear these. Oh wait, before I do, you see TikTok there? The gray? It's that little sliver at the front. We're not going to be able to get rid of that. We're going to only get rid of the big yellow or most of the big yellow, which is what these two items are. So we're not going to have 100% of this 1.4 gigabytes back, but we'll get a large chunk. So let's clear this. And then let's clear this one. Now we're down to 0.34, which is pretty solid compared to where we started, which was 1.14 gigs. Now it's only 0.3 gigs. Pretty awesome. This downloads thing here, there's some stuff you can do to mitigate this long term. I'll show you where that is. If I go back out of here, there's offline videos right here where you can save a certain number of videos to be offline. I guess it's just the hits of TikTok for that day. So you can choose 50, 100, 150, or 200 videos that you download right now. Hopefully you're on Wi-Fi. And then whenever you connect to Wi-Fi again, it'll refresh those 200 with a new 200 or those 50 with a new 50. And this takes up a bunch of space. So if you have this activated, make sure you're coming in here and clearing the downloads option under the free up space on a regular basis. And now for some reason we bumped up to 0.4 gigabytes, I guess just by going to different menus in TikTok. Next, let's check out Instagram. Instagram is a little different. There's no fancy free up space menu. You have to go and delete the app from your phone. Or you can try offloading it, but it's not as effective. I'll show you where. On the main settings page, if I go to General, then iPhone Storage, scroll down until I see Instagram. There's right there, 609 megabytes is currently the space that's used. But watch this. Let's go to Instagram and let's just scroll through this brain-melting feed of stuff. As you can probably tell, I really don't use Instagram very much. Okay, now let's go back to the settings. And let's go. Oh, didn't even have to leave. Oh, look, it went down. Usually it goes up. In this case, it went down to 606. The point of my example was to show you it going up, but that didn't work. It went down. But when you scroll through Instagram, when you use it, it stores data and video files on your phone. And then generally this goes up. To get that data back, we have to offload the app or delete the app. I find deleting the app much more effective. So I just tap on delete app, and I delete it. And then after that, I reset my phone. So I press up volume, down volume, hold the power or action button until we get the Apple logo. So keep holding. Screen goes black in a second. There it is. It's black now. Keep holding till you get the Apple logo. There we go. And that runs the maintenance script that will clear the cache for Instagram. And then we can reinstall it once we're back on the phone. Okay, let's log back in. Let's go to the App Store, search for Instagram. Let's reinstall this. Then we can open it. And what's funny is, even though we deleted it, it still knows my account. And I'm logged into my account, which is pretty handy. I thought if you deleted the app, you'd have to re-log in and set all that stuff up again. By set up, I just mean log in. But you don't. It remembers that. That must be cached somewhere. I don't know where, but that is cached somewhere on the phone. Now, if we go back to settings, and keep in mind, I don't use Instagram a lot, so that the amount of space used might not change very much. But if we go back to iPhone storage and find Instagram, hopefully it'll be less than 606. It's 597.2. Clearly, I don't use Instagram very much, but it's still less than what it was when we deleted it, and that means the cache for it was cleared. Yours might be huge. If you use Instagram a lot, this could be way bigger. So that's why we do that. Next, we're going to check out YouTube and clear its cache. This one's a little different. This really only applies to if you have YouTube Premium, and you can view the downloaded videos that you've downloaded and then delete them. So if we head into the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the gear icon in the top right. And I don't have YouTube Premium, so you don't see the menu item for me on here. But when you do, there's one called Background and Downloads. And if there's contents in there, delete them, and that frees up space on your phone. Next, you should learn how to clear the RAM on your phone. This video shows you how. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.